Okay, let's do some questions from methods of purification of organic compounds. It's given in NCERT also. Question number 1. Naphthalene can be easily purified by. 4 options have been given: sublimation, crystallization, distillation, vaporization. Now naphthalene can be easily purified by sublimation. We all know that this is a volatile compound, right? So naphthalene can be purified by sublimation. Simple. Question 2. The best method to separate the mixture of ortho and para nitrophenol is. Now the best method to separate the mixture of ortho and para nitrophenol. Now the best method would be distillation. To be specific, steam distillation. Why? Because in this nitrophenol, orthonitrophenol, this is the ortho one, this is the para one, ortho meta para. Now here intramolecular hydrogen bonding takes place, and here intermolecular. How? In the first one is OH, and this is the structure, and this hydrogen bonding takes place. This is called intra hydrogen bonding. And here among the two molecules, let's say one molecule is this and another molecule is like this. This para nitrophenol, and this H and this O, this is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now when intramolecular hydrogen bonding is there, the boiling point is quite low. So, and this here, due to intermolecular, the boiling point is high. So due to this great difference in boiling point, distillation can be done very easily. 4 options have been given: vaporization, color spectrum, distillation, crystallization. The correct option would be distillation. Question number 3. Column 1, this is a matching question. Column 1, column 2. Now we have to match. First is glycerol, second is orthonitrophenol, third is anthracene, fourth is halogens, and fifth is molecular weight. Here the options have been given as sublimation, Beilstein's test, Victor-Meyer's test, steam distillation, vacuum distillation. Now we have to match the compounds and how they can be separated. Now first of all, O-nitrophenol, we just learned it is separated from steam distillation, right? Now this anthracene, just like naphthalene, can be separated by sublimation. Now these two have been done. Now this Beilstein's test is the method to separate halogens. I don't think you must have read it, but it's, I think, not given in NCERT. I don't remember clearly. Even if not, it is given in most general refreshers also. Now what are we left with? Victor-Meyer's test and vacuum distillation. Now Victor-Meyer's test is used to find the molecular weight of compounds, of volatile compounds, to find the molecular, to determine the molecular weights of volatile compounds. This Victor-Meyer test is used. So this connects with this, and we are left with glycerol and vacuum distillation. Now what is vacuum distillation? A distillation under reduced pressure is called vacuum distillation. And why vacuum distillation is done? There is a need for vacuum distillation in compounds whose boiling points are too high, and Before reaching the boiling points, they decompose. So to bring the boiling point down, pressure is reduced than relative to atmospheric pressure, so that boiling point comes down and distillation can be done. So glycerol is separated by this method, vacuum distillation. Moving on to question number 4. Question number 4 is fractional distillation is a process by which the separation of different fractions from a mixture of solution is carried by making use of the following property of the fractions. Not a complicated question. Options are freezing point, melting point, boiling point, solubility. Now, the one keyword in the question was fractional distillation. Now, among the options, freezing point, boiling point, melting point, solubility, obviously the correct option would be boiling point, even if you did not understand the question. Basically, they're asking what happens in fractional distillation. What property is used? Boiling point. Distillation is done when there is a boiling point difference. Fractional distillation is done when there is small difference in boiling point. So basically boiling points. Question number 5. Which method is used to separate sugars? To separate sugars, which method is used? Option A, fractional crystallization. Option B, sublimation. Option C, chromatography. Option D, Benedict's reagent. Correct option would be chromatography. Chromatography is generally used to separate sugars. So this is all in this simple topic. In the next topic, we'll look at the qualitative and quantitative analysis of organic compounds. So stay tuned for that.